Hello, hello. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. How's everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing fine. Good evening. Welcome to our live stream for tonight. And it will be... Everyone's doing fine. Good evening. Sorry. I hope everyone's doing fine. Let's just wait for a few minutes and then we will start with our first lesson tonight, which is on maths. Good evening. Hi, Janelle. Hi, what's up, Korea? Good evening. Let me just adjust. Okay. Hello, good evening, everyone. Yes, so we will start with maths tonight. It will be the part 2 of our sequences because last Tuesday we discussed only the for a while. We discussed only the first type of sequence, which is your arithmetic sequence. So tonight we will be discussing the 2 remaining sequences, which is geometric and quadratic. Sorry for that. All right. Okay. So, and then we will proceed. There is a special request for tonight. This is special, so we will be playing after our lesson. We will be playing Mobile Legends ML game for probably 2 games, and then we will end our live stream. So before we play, we study first. Okay? So let's start with sequences. So when we talked about sequences, if you could remember a recap, we have our linear sequences. So when we say linear sequences, that means that there is a common difference between every term. Okay, so every single term will have a common difference. So if we have a common difference, let's say for example the one that I have on the screen, 4 and 9. Okay, so 9 minus 4, you will have 5, and then 14. Let me just change the color. 14. Hi, Maha Blanca. 14 minus 9 is 5. 19 minus 14 is 5, and so on. So the common difference is 5. And based on our discussion last time, the common difference is the one that you multiply with your n. N means the position of your sequence. So 5n, and then if you have 5n, you try to substitute it with, and then the difference between these two to get 4. So 5 times 1 is 5, minus 1 will give you the first sequence. Therefore, the nth term formula is 5n minus 1. So that is 4 linear sequences that we have discussed last time. So tonight we will be doing the 2 other sequences. Oh, not linear sequences anymore, but we have our geometric sequence. So when we say geometric sequence, it means that the sequence is the one which has a multiplicand or a ratio. There is a ratio. That means you have to multiply a certain value to get the constant each time. So that is what we meant by geometric sequence. So there is a number. Hi, Punini. There is a number that you multiply that will give you the next value. So for example, remember n here is your position. So this is your first term, your second term, third term, and so on. That means it's only the position. So the sequence that you have here is the one below it, which you have 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. So what is being done so that you would... Hi, Tokushima. Good evening. So what is being done for you to get 8, right? So 4 multiplied by 2, you will get an 8. right? Or 8 divided by 4, you will get a 2. So that means that you actually multiply it by 2. So 8 divided by 4 is also 2. So the divisor or the quotient is 2, and if it's being multiplied, the multiplicand is a 2. So you have times 2, times 2, times 2, times 2. So this 2 here is what we call the common ratio. Okay? So that is what we meant by common ratio. Now, geometric sequence has a formula. The first term, which is A1, that's the first term, or U1, times the ratio R, and it is to the power of n minus 1. Okay, so it has a common ratio, and then it is being raised to a power of n minus 1. So for this case, it will be the first term is 4, so you have 4, bracket, the common ratio is 2, and then all you need to do is raise it to a power of n minus 1. And that is already your nth term formula for geometric sequence. Again, and here is your position term. Alright. So if we have, for example, let's check our understanding with geometric sequence. That's it. That's actually it for geometric ratio. I mean sequences. So you might ask, how would I know whether it's a geometric ratio, or it's just an arithmetic sequence, or it's just a quadratic sequence? The answer for that is geometric sequence will always have a multiplier, or it has a common ratio, meaning it is being divided by or the quotient is the same across. So let's try to check this one. So if you have wait, let me just, I think the last time my head was cut with my frame. Okay, so here 3, 6, 12, 24. Hi, Delayed, good evening. So 6, 3, 2, 6 means 3 times 2, right? Or 6 divided by 3 is 2. So this is being multiplied by 2. 6 multiplied by 2. 12 multiplied by 2 to get the next term. So it is being multiplied by 2. So the answer here to get the nth term for here is, first write the, so what is the formula? It's an. Okay, an meaning first term, bracket, the ratio. What is the common ratio? Meaning the number that you multiplied consistently, and then n minus 1. So for this case, geometric sequence for this would be the first term, which is 3, and then the common ratio, which is 2, and then you raise 2 to the power of n minus 1, and that's the answer. Okay, or you can write it as well as 3 bracket 2 and then n minus 1 on top. That is not a problem. So if you would check n, let's say n is 2, so that means it's the second term. So 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 to the power of 1 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6, which would actually give us the second term. So that is your geometric ratio. Now, if you have, let's say, 8 to 24, so what is the number that is being multiplied to get 24? So 8 times 3 would give you 24. 24 times 3 will give you 72. Times 3 will give you 216, and so on. So that means that the common ratio, or the common value that is being multiplied, is 3. So when you write this down, it will be, the first term is 8, so you write 8, bracket, the common ratio, or the common multiplier is 3, and then n minus 1 on top. And that will be your geometric ratio sequence formula. Okay? So again, if it is a linear sequence, how do we do it? If it's a linear sequence, let's go back a bit. Linear sequence is just to find the common difference. So 5 minus 2 will be 3, 8 minus 5 is 3, and then that number you multiply to your n, and then you have what number will you subtract or add so that you will get the first term. That will be the value here. So 3n, right? So 3 times 1 will give us a 3, minus 2 will actually give us 1, so that means that this is actually minus 2. So if you have 3 times, oh sorry, it's not minus 2. I'm looking at the position. It is your 2, sorry. The first term is 2. So 3n, you subtract by 1, 3 minus 1 will give you a 2, which is the first term. So the linear sequence formula will be 3n minus 1. Okay? Alright. Alrighty. Okay. And then for geometric sequence would only be a, the first term, times the common ratio, which is the number that you multiply, and then raise it to the power of n minus 1. That's it. Now, what if you have, so the third type of sequence, which is the last sequence that we'll be talking tonight. Hi, Tokushima. So the last sequence that we'll be talking tonight is quadratic sequence. Sorry. No, the quadratic sequence is, it has the form an squared plus bn plus c. So a, b, and c here is actually a number, a constant number. Now, the same with your quadratic equation, the same with your quadratic expression, it is to the power of 2. So an squared plus bn plus c. So that is the general form of a quadratic. So the same thing with the sequence, it will be an squared plus bn plus c. Now the difference with quadratic and linear sequence is only to the first difference. But for quadratic sequence, it will be to the second difference, okay? So what I will teach you tonight will be the easiest step, that you don't need to memorize the formula, but all you need to do is just understand how to find a quadratic sequence. So the first thing that you have to do here would be subtract, right? So 8 minus 3 will be 5. 15 minus 8 will be 7. 24 minus 15 will be 9, and so on and so forth. Okay? So if you have 7, so if you would notice, okay, for sequences, there should be a common difference or a common ratio. Now 5, 7, 9, which is our first difference, doesn't have anything common. So you don't stop there. You have to continue until you get a common. So 7 minus 5 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. Therefore, at this point, you have already a common difference, which is 2. That means that since you have reached you have reached the second difference, that means this sequence given is a quadratic. So the easiest way to find the nth term formula, use your second difference. So the first step would be use your second difference. That's the first step. Okay? Divide it by 2. Always divide it by 2, or get the half of it. Half. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. This number is the one that you will multiply with n squared. So that will be 1 times n squared. So since it's only 1, you don't need to write 1. Just place n squared. Now the next step that you have to do is you will substitute n squared with the position of your term. So it will be, let me just erase the one on top. Okay. Let me use a different color. Okay. So you have 1 square, that's 1. 2 square, that's 4. 3 square, that is 9. Okay. So 1 square, that's 1. 2 square, that's 4. 3 square, that is 9. And then what you need to do is you check what is the common difference with your 1 and your first term. That is, the 1 and your first term, actually you have to add 2, right? Plus 2, or you find 1, 3 minus 1 is actually 2. So 1 plus 2 will give you the first term. 4 plus 4 will give you the second term. 9 plus 6 will give you the third term. Okay? And then you find what is the common difference between 2, 4, and 6. The common difference between 2, 4, and 6 is 2. The common difference here is 2. Let me use a different color. That's a 2. That's a 2, right? 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. Therefore, since the common difference is 2, the formula, the second formula will be plus 2n. And that is your nth term formula for this quadratic sequence. Hi, Shacha. Good evening. Okay. So the first step is find the common difference up to the second, and then you divide it by 2. And then the second one is you substitute the position term, and what number do you add or subtract to get the first, second, and third term. And then you find if there is a common difference, the common difference will be the second number. If it is all the same number, that means that will be the C, or the last number. Okay? I'm talking about the an squared plus bn plus c. If there is a common difference, it will be on bn being multiplied to n. If it is all the same number, it will be your c. So for this case, because there is a common difference, which is 2, then that 2 will be multiplied to n. Therefore, the nth term formula for this quadratic sequence will be n squared plus 2n. Okay, don't worry, we'll try more examples before we proceed with science. Alright, so let's try this example, and we will internalize it, understand it, how it's being done in an easier way. Actually, this is the easiest way without memorizing or thinking about the formula. Okay, so first step would be find the common difference first. Okay, let me change the color. So 9 minus 3 is 6. 19 minus 9 will be 10. I think I have to draw it somewhere. I don't know if it's clear. 33 minus 19, alright, will be 14. Even if you end up to the third or fourth term, that will be okay. That is enough. Okay, you don't need to completely do every single term. And then you subtract. 10 minus 6 is 4. 14 minus 10 is 4. So that means that it is a quadratic because the difference is up to the second difference. This is our second difference. Okay? So you only stop when it is all throughout the same. Hi, I'm sexy and I know it. Alright? So the first step, is to divide the second difference by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. That means that this 2 here will be the number that you multiply with n squared. So that will be 2n squared. Okay? And then the next step is to substitute the n. So since that's 2n squared, you substitute 2 times 1 squared, which is 1 squared is 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times, and then the second position, which is 2. 2 squared is 4 times 2 is 8. Okay. 2 times the third position is 3. So 3 squared is 9 times 2 is 18. Alright. Now, what do you add so that you will get 3 for the first term? So 2 plus 1 will give me 3, which is the first term. That means that you only add a number so that you will get the next term. Okay? What do you add to 8 to get the next term? It's 1, right? To get 9. What do you add to get 19? It's 1 to get 19. So since all the numbers are the same, alright, as I've mentioned, if it is of different numbers and there is a common difference, that will be the one that you will multiply with n. But if it is all throughout the same, you have added exactly the same number, you just add that number as your plus 1. So that means that the formula for 3, 9, 19, 33, 51, that sequence, the formula is 2n squared. Let me write it down somewhere on the side. This will be 2n squared plus 1. Okay? Now let's try the next number. Alright, so remember the first step is to divide, and then the second step is to find or substitute the position term. Okay, position term. So let me just erase this. Okay, so let's subtract. 15 minus 4 is 11. 32 minus 15 is 17. Alright, 55 minus 32 is 23. And then you subtract 17 minus 11 is 6. 23 minus 17 is also 6. So that means that the common difference is 6. On the common second difference is 6. So the first step is to divide 6 by 2, which is 3. This number we will multiply with n squared. Okay? And then the next step will be, since that's 3n squared, you need to substitute n with the position. So 3, first position is 1 squared. So 1 squared is 1 times 3 is 3. Second position squared, that's 2 squared is 4 times 3 is 12. Third position is 3 squared is 9 times 3 is 27. Now what do you add to 3 so that you will get 4? It's plus 1, right? So 3 plus 1 will give you the first term. What do you add with 12 to get 15? It's plus 3. What do you add with 25 to get 32? 27, not 25. That's a 9. 27. So you need to add 27 plus 5 to get 32. Then you find the common difference between these numbers. 3 minus 1 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. Therefore, the one that you need to multiply with n will be 2n plus 2n. Okay? So 3n squared plus 2n. Now, if you would actually substitute 3n with 1, so 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2n, okay, 2n, that's 5. That's beyond 4. So what you need is you subtract it by 1. So therefore, the formula would be 3n squared plus 2n minus 1. Okay, I hope that you understood quadratic. It's a bit of, you have to practice more so that you would be able to make it easier. But that is it. This is the easiest way to find a quadratic formula. Okay, so how did I get again minus 1? It's simply I substituted 3 times, 3 times 1 squared plus 2n, that will give me a 4. So since that's a 4, that's beyond my, that will give me a 5, sorry, not 4. So since that's a 5, that's beyond 4, you subtract it by 1. So that's why there's a minus 1 here. That's it. That's all that you have to understand. So the first step, again, for a quadratic is to find the common difference. This, divide the second difference by 2. The second step is to substitute all your n, which is your n squared, with your position term. And then you identify what number do you have to add so that you will get the first, second, and third term. Alright. So that is our quadratic sequences. Okay, I'll proceed with science. You can ask me in a while. I'll just proceed with science and then you can ask me. Okay, so balancing chemical equations is for the topic in science. When we talked about chemical equation, let me just show this. So what is a chemical equation? So when we talked about chemical equation describes your chemical change. In a chemical equation, these are the different parts. You have your reactant, you have your product, and this. Okay, Tokushima, I'll be releasing a series as well for sequences, so do watch out for that. Okay, so for chemical equation, it has the different parts. You have your reactant, your product, and your reaction symbol. The reaction symbol would tell you what would be the product. If it is with the arrow to the right, that means on the right side are your products. Okay, so it started with this reactant followed by this product. Okay, so what do we mean by reactants? Reactants are the chemicals that you start with. Okay, you start with before any reaction would happen. So if you have a candle and you have a matchstick, and when you start up a fire using your matchstick, that means that you start with your matchstick. So that will be the one that you have there as your reactant, okay, before a reaction would happen. So it is always written on the left side of your equation, while the product here is the new chemical that is being formed after your reaction. So it's a new chemical. But does it mean that it's always with a product, or is it always with something? There are some reactants that you put together that wouldn't do any reaction. Okay? So, but in a chemical reaction, since it's a reaction, that means there should be something happening. So the product will be the new chemical, or the new chemicals formed by the reaction that has happened. Okay? And it's always on your right side. And then you have your subscript. So for example, H2O. H2O. This is very important before we will be able to balance. So we have to understand. H2O means that the subscript would tell you how many of those atoms are in that molecule or in that compound. So H2O means 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. Okay? The subscript would tell you the number of atoms of that element in that compound, while the coefficient is the number before the compound. So that number would tell you how many of that compound are in your chemical reaction, or it is how many of that is required in a chemical reaction. So 3 here means that there are 3 water molecules. There are 3 H2Os. Okay, cool. So again, subscript means the number of elements in a compound. Coefficient means the number or how many molecules are present. So if you are given an equation, so this will be our reactant side, this will be our product side. So CH4 is 1 molecule because there's no number before it. That means there's 1 compound of CH4 or 1 molecule of that. O2, 1 of it because you don't see a number. CO2, 1 of it as well because you don't see a number. H2O, 1 of it because there's no number. Now, according to the law of conservation of mass, in a chemical reaction, matter is neither created nor destroyed. So in other words, whatever number of elements in your reactant side should equal to the number of elements, number of atoms, types of atoms on your reaction. So if you started with 1 carbon, your product would also be 1 carbon. Nothing has been created nor destroyed. It is just being changed into a new product or changed into a new form. So for this case, we have to identify whether it is balanced or not balanced based on the law of conservation of mass. So let's try to check. So carbon here on your reactant side is 1. Carbon, okay, based on the subscript, that's 1. Hydrogen on your reactant side is 4, okay, while hydrogen on your product is only 2. Oxygen on your reactant side is 2, and on your product there are 3. That means this equation is not balanced, okay? So when should they be balanced? When these numbers are the same or equal, and these numbers are also the same. The number of hydrogen in your reactant side and in your product side should be the same. The number of oxygen in your reactant and product side should also be the same. So that would be balance. So how do we balance them? We balance them by placing coefficients. Okay, we don't place subscripts because that is the entire molecule. We cannot change a molecule. We change only the number of that amount of molecules. Okay, so how do we change? So if you would notice, there's 4 H2O here, and there's only 2 H2O, sorry, H hydrogen. 4 H on this side, and there's 2 on this side. So how do we balance? We have to multiply this by 2, so that you will get as well 4, right? So that is how you balance it. Multiply this by 2. 2 times 2 will get a 4. Therefore, if 4 in the reactant, there will be 4 in the product side as well. So we multiply this H2O here with 2. Now, if you would notice, as we multiply H2O with 2, that will also increase the number of oxygen. That becomes 2. So this will be 3 plus 2 would actually be 5. Right? Oh, sorry. 3. No. 3. That's 2. 2 on the other side. I'm thinking of adding 2 plus 2. That will be 4, right? There's 2 here and there's 2 here. Remember that your coefficients are being multiplied to each of your subscripts. So 2 times 2 will be 4 of your hydrogen. 2 times 1, if there's no subscript, that's understood to be 1. So that's 2. 2 plus 2 will be 4. So since that's 4, I have to multiply this by 2 so that I'll get 4 as well. So I'll put 2 here. Now that is already balanced. Alright? Okay, let's try another example before we end. So first, nitrogen, there's 2 here and there's 1 here. Hydrogen, there's 2 on the reactant side and 3 on this side. Now, both are not balanced. So we have to balance it by multiplying it with a number. So hydrogen is 3 on the product side, and hydrogen is 2 on the reactant side. So for us to balance it, we just need to cross multiply the numbers. Okay, that's the easiest way to do it. Just cross multiply the number. So that means that I'll multiply this by 3. Sorry, I'll multiply this by 2, cross multiply. I'll multiply this by 2, you get 6. And I'll multiply this by 3, I'll also get 6. So 6 and 6 hydrogen is balanced, right? So what did I multiply? I multiply it with 2. So that I'll put 2 here. Okay? And since I multiply this with 3, I'll place 3 here. And let's check if nitrogen will be balanced. 2 times 1, or 1 times 2, is also 2, which becomes balanced. So the balance equation will be 1 nitrogen, okay, diatomic nitrogen gas, 3 of your H2, and 2 of your NH3. Okay? And our last example for our science tonight, before we play. So you have KClO3 will yield or will produce KCl and O2. So the first one is K. How many K on this side? It's 1. 1 on this. And then you have Cl, 1 here, 1 here. Oxygen, 3. And then 2 on this side. So that's 3. And then 2 on that side. So it's only oxygen that is not balanced, right? And if it is 2 different or odd numbers, or you have a prime number 3 and 2, just cross over the numbers. So 2 multiply by 3, you'll get 6, and then multiply by 2, you'll also get 6. So since you multiplied by 3, you place 3 here, and since you multiplied this by 2, you place 2 here. So it's both 6. Okay, but since you multiply this by 2, K and Cl will become 2 as well. So you just need to place 2 here. And that is already balanced. Okay. Any question? clarification question before we proceed with our game for tonight. I didn't notice my head was already cut. Question. Any question, clarification? Balancing equation is year 9 and year 10. Balancing should be in year 9 and year 10. And then sequences is in year 7 and year 6. Quadratic sequences will be in year 9. Linear sequences will be in year 6 and year 7. Grade 6 and grade 7, sorry. Okay, so tonight we will not be playing the card game or any of the logic game. We due to high demand request, we will be playing Mobile Legends tonight if there are no questions. Oh, okay, Tokushima. All right. We will be playing Mobile Legends tonight, and I hope that we will only be playing 2 games. Yeah, they wanted to play, some of the students would want to play Mobile Legends tonight, and we will try to play. Let me just... Okay. I will just set it up for a while for those who wanted to... Wait. All right, so let's try. Okay, can you hear me? Oh, for a while there's no sound. Let me just... Oh, okay. Wait, for a while. I hope you can okay, Ambry. I think something is wrong. I hope it will be better later. Wait. Something is wrong. Wait. Oh. Okay. Something is really wrong. Hi, Kizumi. Wait, let me just fix this issue for a while. Something is wrong with the Sorry guys, this is my first time to do this. It was okay before. Can you see me? Oh, it's lagging. It's really lagging. All right, I think we cannot. I do not know anymore how to fix this. The encoding is overloading. For a while. Yes, I think something is wrong with it says it's overload. it says in my that it's overloading. Can you hear me? Can you hear okay, I'll try to refresh. I'll try to refresh. Okay. I didn't know what would happen if I will stop the streaming. Sorry guys for the technical issue. Am I back? Wait. Let me just check. Okay. Yay! I'm back! Yes, I'm back. Okay, let's play before anything else. Am I still blur? I hope not. Okay. Alright, so we will only be playing 2 games tonight. Is it still blur? I hope not. Yay! At last! Okay, so we will be playing. The first game would be, it's blur, it's okay. So our first game would be classic. So, or we play rank first. Okay, so we play classic. Who's the last player? Oh, okay. All right, let's start. I think I pressed classic. Is it still blur blur? Blur blur.
Among the planes,
I'll use EV.
equilibrium, which I was made.
Why is there two marksmen? Okay. Am I still blur or am I okay now? Sorry guys for that. I think something went wrong actually with this is my first time to do Mobile Legends online. So since I am in Malaysia, that means that we are playing against either Indonesians or Malaysians. Right, because it's from this server. Yay! Wow. I love the skin of 1-1. Collector. Wow, collector. Sana all. Maha Blanca. Sana all. For those who just came in, I'm sorry. We just finished maths and science lesson. And so, due to the high demand, we will be playing 2 games of Mobile Legends.
Welcome to Mobile Legends.
So, where should I go?
Until the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
So, where should I go now?
All I want to do is hunt them down.
Oh, they have Johnson's on the other side.
Hard to grasp the idea of equilibrium.
Okay.
Why bother?
You can actually apply your technique here in maths.
I see weakness through life.
Brown. Oh my, 1-1. You will not get the buff.
Initiate retreat. I do not
Get this buff. Okay. You get that. You get that. Wait.
Great power comes with great responsibility.
Oh, you didn't get the buff 1-1.
The creators would die, just like their creations.
Lag, okay. Lag. Wow, this is not a bad one. By the way, this is just classic.
Okay. Civilization rise
Why is Atlas always saying initiate retreat?
Their natural enemy. That is inevitable. Hard to grasp the idea of the equilibrium.
Beware of ambush.
bother?
Request backup.
Sorry guys, I don't know how to play this, but
Launch attack.
okay, wait for me,
Request backup.
The equilibrium has to be maintained.
Ult is ready.
Come on,
Initiate retreat.
hey,
Ult
I
is ready.
see bleakness through life.
what is wrong? Where's Johnson's?
The equilibrium has to be maintained. I do not see the truth. I am the truth.
An enemy has been slain. Unstable network.
Stable
There are
network.
countless planes.
Ally has initiate retreat.
What is this?
Creators will die. Let their creations.
Push first.
I do not seek truth. I am the truth.
Wait, I think we need help in the mid.
Attack the turtle.
Okay.
Unstable network. Ally has been slain.
Oh no! Hey!
I see weakness through life.
An enemy has been slain.
I do not seek truth. I am the truth.
Initiate retreat. Ally has been slain.
Hey!
Ally has
Gwen.
been slain.
GG!
Initiate retreat.
There are countless.
Your team destroyed a turret. Ult is not ready. You're ahead of
Let
turret.
their creations. The equilibrium has to be maintained.
Ult is not ready.
Atlas, wait, Atlas. Wait, Atlas.
I am their natural enemy.
Atlas.
Unstable network. There is no escape.
There are countless.
Atlas.
All I want to do is hunt them down.
Hey, tap.
Ally has been slain. Request backup.
Tap.
Our turret has been destroyed. Request backup.
Okay.
Need assistance. Okay. Ult is not ready.
What I need to care is what I need.
Split up. Ult is not ready. Split up. Ult is not ready.
Civilizations rise and fall.
Wait.
What I need to care
Ult is not ready.
is what I need to care.
There is no escape. Initiate retreat. Ally has
Wait. Ah!
defend the turret. An enemy has been slain. Request backup.
Okay,
An
wait.
enemy has been slain.
Wait. Wait.
The equilibrium has to be
Initiate retreat.
Gwen, side, Gwen, side, Gwen.
Initiate retreat. Enemy has slain the turtle.
Wait, Gwen, wait, Gwen.
Initiate retreat. No escape. Request backup. You have slain an
Nice
enemy.
one.
Has been slain. Your team destroyed a turret. Initiate retreat. Launch attack.
Wait, Gwen.
Enemy killing.
Oh no.
Request defend the turret. Our turret has been destroyed. Initiate retreat.
Hi.
Civilizations rise and fall.
How to turn on mic?
All I
Push
want to do is hunt.
Hello?
Rampage.
I think
Split push.
okay. Ay! Ay, no, 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 no!
Uy, dito! Suwanit mo!
An enemy has been slain. Shut down. Double kill. Attack.
Back up is so slow.
Wait lang! Wait, nakagawa ko
Push first.
Wait.
Is inevitable.
Wait.
Request backup.
Hello, YouTube!
Hi.
Initiate retreat.
Sorry, ma'am. May force na kami.
Ha? Ay. Wait.
You have slain an enemy.
Hindi ka man.
Lanta.
Patay.
Patay ko.
Sige, sige na. Kuyog ka.
Killing spree.
Patay ko.
Oh no.
Gusto mo nis, mamiyan. On bike, mamiyan.
Keep an eye on the map. Initiate retreat. Shut down. Our turret has been destroyed.
Wait. Okay.
Through
Push
life.
first.
Wait. Wait, nanakoy out. Wait. Nanakoy out. Wait. Okay, go.
Sayang nga.
Hoy, wait sama. Wait, Ate Kai. Wait, Ate Kai.
The creators would die
Wait.
just like their creation.
Wait, Ate Kai. Wait.
Ulo ko. Ate,
Oh no. What is this?
Slain.
Shout
Oh,
out
no.
to Loda Galang taon nga nasa taas.
Wait.
All I want to do is hunt them.
Oh no, wait. Haha.
What is praised will eventually be.
Left the match lagi kate.
Ate left the match.
Sorry.
Okay.
Okay. You're forgiven. Na-date siya, me.
Push first.
Pick up ang ulit.
Okay.
Wait, mamiyan.
Amen.
Pick up, mamayan.
Turret is under attack.
Pick it. Lalala.
Ally has been slain.
Mali, ako yung utang.
Just like their creation.
Wait, wait, wait.
Ang may stop.
Wait.
Split push. Our turret is under
Sorry.
attack.
Oh no.
Kabalo ka nga nung pinagmaayo. Dili, ikaw ba manapos meeting? Meeting?
Enemy rampage.
Hindi ko, ani.
Keep an eye on the map.
Wait. Mami,
No.
mami.
Pildi na, pildi.
Sa.
Our turret is under attack.
We're losing, we're losing.
Hard to grasp
Push.
the idea of the
Okay.
Why bother?
Kuya kita, ate.
Ult is ready.
What I need to carry.
Wait, wait. Okay lang ako.
Ult is ready. Ult is ready.
I do not seek truth.
Wait, wait, don't clash. Wait.
Oh, boom.
Ah, hi.
Wait,
Double kill. Enemy double kill.
You're clashing. GG.
oh, subot. Di ko ba?
Creators would die, just like their creations.
Di ko na kay contents.
Initiate retreat.
I do not seek truth. I am the truth.
Push first.
Di
Initiate
ko wambak, anak. Gamitin mo out.
Out, 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 out.
backup. Ally has been
Hoy, out.
Ally has been shut down.
Out,
Go, mami.
Shut launch attack.
Dali.
Launch
What's that one?
double
out, out,
Dali, dali.
out.
attack.
It's okay.
Launch attack.
Push, 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 push.
Your team destroyed the turret. Well played. Launch attack.
Retreat, retreat. Blue, hi, hi me. Retreat.
Well played. Push first.
Okay. No minions. Wait, wait.
I see bleakness.
No escape. Your team
Ay, dali,
destroyed
dali, dali.
Wait, wait, wait. Initiate retreat. Uy, me.
Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat.
Ah.
Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat.
Wait, wait.
Civilizations rise and fall.
Wait.
Wait, wait.
Hello.
Hi, everyone.
Initiate retreat.
Their
Wait,
next
ate.
enemy. That is inevitable.
Wait.
Ayun, di
Wait.
ako mag-open something.
Okay. Mid lang, mid.
To grasp the idea of the equilibrium.
Wait.
Ano?
Lancelot.
You have slain.
Nice one.
Push
The
first.
creators would die, just like their creation.
Gather an ambush.
Okay. Wait ka, wait ka.
Careful.
Okay,
Wait.
go.
Wait, wala ako. Oh. Wait.
That is inevitable.
Wait.
Go.
Launch attack.
Isa.
Wait, wait.
Go.
Wait, wait.
Okay, go, ate.
Nice one. Wait, wait. Nice one. Oh my. Nice one.
Launch attack. Mid lane. Careful.
Ano, show?
Okay.
Launch attack. Launch attack.
Sure.
Is what I need.
Launch attack.
Wait. Wait, wait, wait. Wait.
Your team destroyed a turret.
What? Kinadit kita?
Wait.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Go, 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 go. Nice one.
Mamaya, kiluha niyang kill na ako.
Lord, 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 Lord. Lord, Lord. Oh, wait, 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 wait. Ayaw lag, Lord,
Lord,
wait.
dash.
No, 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 wait, wait, wait. Nasi Johnson's, no.
Don't attack.
Ahay.
Ay! Ay, Rohani.
Retreat. Initiate retreat.
Ano po name?
Killing spree.
Congratulations.
We're just... Naglalaro na lang kami ng ML. We just finished the lesson.
Kitsa
Hi,
na.
Rohani D. We will be playing 2 games only.
Good game. Initiate retreat.
Wow, nag-lord pa sila?
Played. Well played.
We're just playing classic. Hi! Def, hi, please.
Bleakness through
Our turret.
Wait, 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 wait.
Saan pag there?
Wait, wait, wait.
Initiate retreat.
great responsibility.
Ikaw ni Jaysa. Sige natin yan ang loob.
Oh no. Hoy, base! Base!
Kamayan.
Ay, inyong gibiyahan ng Lord.
Defeat.
Alright, thank you. Okay, okay, Ate Blanche, you start the game para Pilipinas ang mga players. Okay, if I'll start the game, puro Malaysian. So we'll be playing rank. Ate Blanche, you start the game. Name. Okay. Name Rohani sa ML. My name. Where's Dexter? Akong name sa ML, Sipunon. Sipunon. Siphonon. This will be the last game for tonight. GG. I wasn't able to use my mathematical brain, Ma Blanca. I miscalculated the attack of the enemy. One more player. We need one more player. Blue glass. This will be the last game for tonight before we end our live stream. In demand. Teacher Maria must play Mobile Legend. Ate, we need one more player. We need one more player, Ate, to start the game. Hurry up! It will come out on the screen, you know. One more. We need one more player. Okay. Okay, let's start. Okay. All right. This will be the last game tonight.
The enemy is banning.
Horology is my
Your team is banning.
I hope we will win. Nag-start na.
Time to witness the hand.
The enemy is banning.
my pleasure.
Hey! Stop sending
Your
message.
team is banning.
Stop sending message.
The enemy is picking.
I see lots of prey.
Please pick a hero.
Let's play together.
I'll be using Chang'e.
Let's go. The enemy is picking.
It's time to go to the R&D show for some fun.
Shout out to Pring.
I rap, therefore I am.
Your team is picking.
Mic on? Is your mic on?
Woohoo! Set me on fire and I'll blaze through the battle.
I do what the enemy is picking.
I'm born with talent.
Okay.
Dragon board is back.
Your team is picking.
Whoa, glue.
In the cluster.
Glue. Mic on, ate. Ate, mic on. This will be our last game for tonight. I hope you are entertained. I hope you are entertained by our game. This is my first time to stream a Mobile Legend game. After the lesson.
Mobile Legends.
After the lesson, this is my first time
5
to
seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield.
stream
Catch them.
ML.
Troops deployed.
I normally play with my kids only. Mic on, yes, mic on. Yes. Yes.
Hey, not so high. I'm afraid of
Ay!
Pag-express button 5 eh.
Wait.
Where's my little buddy gone?
Ay! Sorry.
What is this place? Looks like we may be lost. First blood.
Oh no! Hoy! GG moment brought to you by GG.
Beware of ambush. Quick, run! Roger's coming.
Ready?
Wait.
What is this place?
Wait.
It looks like we may be lost.
Wait. Hoy! Retreat mo, hoy.
Wesley is home. Request backup.
Wait. Wait. I hate her. Ay!
An ally has slain the turtle.
Wait sa.
Mami.
Ah, wait.
Isn't my master just greatest?
Oh no.
Top, sir, top.
Wait. Wait sa ha, wait.
Request backup.
Wait. Sorry guys.
An emperor has been slain.
To relax the mind, we're playing. Wait.
Push first.
Okay. Oh no. Nah, Roger's silong.
Wow! Look at all these carrots. It looks like we may be lost. Isn't my master just the greatest? Keep an eye on the map. Request backup.
Okay. Wait.
Ally has
Hi!
been slain.
GG! GG moment brought to you by Globe.
Request backup. Initiate retreat.
Wait. Back.
Initiate retreat. Split push. The turtle. Request backup. Initiate retreat. Ally has been slain.
Oh no.
Ally has been slain.
Hoy!
Keep an eye on that. Ult is not ready.
So stressful to play.
Ult is not ready.
Hoy. Oh no, wala ko yung mana.
Gather your team. Request solo.
Wait.
Gather for team fight. Do not solo.
Okay. I hate her. I
Launch attack.
sell.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Wait. Agoy. GG.
Please, it doesn't count.
Wait.
Greatest?
Oh no!
Quick, run! Roger's coming!
Wait, glue.
Is not ready.
Quick, run! Roger's coming!
Oh no! GG moment. Wait.
Enemy has slain. An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Ult is not ready.
Just the grace.
Oh no! I think I need necklace of and necklace of Durance.
Not so
Wait ha, wait.
I'm afraid of heights.
Request backup. Request backup. Sorry.
Looks
Wait.
like he may be
Wait.
Request backup.
Oh no! Ahay.
An enemy
GG!
slain.
GG moment brought to you by
Request backup. Our turret has been destroyed.
Wait sa team fight.
Ult is not ready.
Wait.
Initiate retreat. Legendary.
Patay tang Roger, hoy. Gihurot ng Roger.
Backup.
Also needs glue. Mid rata gang. Mid ate.
Looks like we
Initiate retreat. Ally has been slain. Plant turret has been destroyed.
Okay.
Your team destroyed a turret. Under attack.
Okay.
Shut down.
Hoy! Wait ha.
run! Roger's coming!
Request backup.
Nas kilid ning.
Request our turret. Our turret has been destroyed.
Hawaging.
Your team destroyed a turret. Push first.
Wait.
Initiate retreat.
Saga nag-ambak si Gwen. Nasayo po calculate si Gwen sa iyang ambak. Wait.
Beware of ambush.
Okay. Wait ha, wait. Saneng, wait.
Initiate retreat.
Ay! Dakpan ko!
Request backup. Backup.
Nadakpan ko niya.
Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat. Request backup.
3 kills na ko.
Request backup.
Okay, wait.
Beware of ambush.
Don't you know I'm afraid of heights?
Okay, si Roger na skilled. Ay, Roger, oy!
Been slain.
Sorry guys, I don't know how to play. I'm always skilled.
Ult is not ready. Your team destroyed the turret. Initiate retreat. Sorry. Shut down. Just the ally has been slain.
Oh no! Sakit na kayo si Roger.
Please, it doesn't count.
Patay tang Roger.
Attack the Lord.
Retreat na, hoy!
Initiate retreat. An enemy has been slain. Launch attack. Where's my little butterfly? Launch attack. Launch attack. Launch attack. Your team destroyed a turret. Your team destroyed a turret. Nice. Launch attack.
Oh my. Sorry.
Sorry. Your team destroyed a turret. Sorry.
Sorry.
Good game. Our turret is under
Francis!
Our turret has been destroyed. Hold down and beat Wait. Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat. Request backup. Initiate request backup. Initiate.
Wait, wait.
Isn't my master just the greatest?
Wait.
Defend the turret has been destroyed.
Oh no. Where?
Initiate retreat.
Wait. Careful, Mozilong.
Our turret is under attack. Initiate retreat. Beware of ambush.
Apo na dagay kalala.
Wait, ah.
Request backup.
Wait. Okay, wait. Wait sa, wait sa, wait sa, wait sa.
Request backup. Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat.
Galord, tingali sila, gang.
Retreat.
Oh, wala.
Ito no, block to speech.
Ah, hi. Where should I go? Galord sila, gang.
Galord sila. Si
Oo.
Roger.
Request backup. Quick, run! Roger's coming.
Wait sa, gang, wait. Agoy, ayan na, retreat na lang. Retreat ra. Retreat ra.
Blue.
Ult is not ready.
Retreat lang.
Ganda.
Defra.
Initiate retreat. Initiate
Sama
retreat.
niya.
Isn't my mouth
Def lang, def.
Initiate retreat.
Wait.
Blue.
Initiate retreat.
Oh, sama niya.
Wait sa, retreat lang, retreat. Wait, ah.
Bantay mo apat.
Wait, si Gwen. Wait.
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 Blue, wait.
Wait. Wait sa.
Your turret
Wait.
Initiate
Wait
retreat.
mo.
Wait sa, wait. Wait sa, wait. Roger sa, Roger.
Request backup.
Itong mid.
Initiate.
Wait sa.
Ilang zero.
Initiate.
Zilong. Wait.
Initiate retreat.
Roger, si Roger.
Wait mo.
Wait.
Me.
Initiate retreat.
Okay, may mag-wait mo, may.
Wait.
Beware of ambush.
Puyot ka.
Wait sa, ha?
Request
Hey.
backup.
Wait.
Request
Wait,
backup.
Darius, wait. Wait.
Right.
An enemy has been slain.
Oh. Hey.
Patay.
Your turret is under attack.
Wait sa.
Initiate retreat.
Hindi ko ka-repeat.
Has been slain. Launch attack.
Agoy! Naaftan kong Gwen. Sorry.
Our base is under attack.
Oh no. Wait, kaya pa ni. Wala ba ko'y kill? 7 death? No kill?
Initiate retreat.
Sorry guys.
Turret is under attack. Turret is
Oh no, death lang. Lord niya ha. Lord.
launch
Lord niya, Lord.
Request backup.
Okay, wait. Clear sa ta, Lord. Wait, clear sa ta.
Under attack. Initiate retreat. Wait. Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat.
Wait, blue.
Wait. Wait, X-Borg.
Backup.
Wait.
Our turret is under attack. Initiate retreat.
Wait sa ha, wait.
Dapat tapal niya sila.
Wait.
Yeah, tapos ka
Initiate retreat.
Yan. Then yung
Our turret is under attack. Request backup.
push ka nung pwede ng Roger.
Been destroyed. Your turret is under attack. Turret has been destroyed.
Wait, retreat sa mohoy. Retreat.
Silong. Hindi ko pagamit yung witch shot.
Agoy! Sorry. Sorry, guys.
Defeat.
Sorry. Alright. So that ends our GG once again. GG brought to you by Globe. Thank you for watching our live stream. I hope that you were able to learn something tonight and as well as being entertained with our game. Thank you for being online. Thank you for watching. And see you next week. We will have a new set of lessons next week. And I hope that you will be able to join us once again. Thank you. And before we end, as always, Teacher Maria would say, please do live your life to the fullest. Learn something new every day. And love one another as how our God loves us. See you next week. And I hope we will be able to play again ML. But we will prioritize the lessons before we are going to play. Thank you. And have a blessed evening. Have a blessed night. Have a blessed week ahead, everyone. Yes, their Roger was so strong. Sorry, it was my first time to have 8 deaths using my favorite hero. Thank you, everyone. Bye. Thank you. Good night. Bye-bye. We'll try to play again next week. Hopefully everything will be okay. Bye-bye. See you next week.